Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the new Windows 1125H2 Start Menu Styler using ViveTool. I'll also explain why the feature may not appear on your system and what you need to do to fix it. So let's get started. Here you can see my OS build number. Now I will show you from where you can download the 25H2 Start Menu Styler. First, open Google Chrome and search for ViveTool GitHub. Then the very first page that appears will be the one we need. I will also put the link to this page in the video description. Now scroll down to the bottom. Click on the first download link you see. After downloading the file, you need to extract it. Now click on Browse and go to the C drive. Here, create a new folder. I am naming the folder feature. Now select this folder. At the top you will see the folder location. Copy that location and keep it saved. Now click on Extract. After this, go back and open CMD. Here you have to type CD, then paste the folder location that you copied earlier and press Enter. Now the commands shown on the screen, copy and paste them one by one. Now as you can see, the new feature did not appear for me. This is because my OS build number is old. If you haven't updated your Windows, you must update it. To get the new Start Menu Styler, your OS build must be 7019 or higher. If it's below that, it won't work. My build was 6584, so it didn't work for me. Many people may face this problem, updates don't install properly. In my case too, the update downloaded but didn't install. So I reinstalled Windows 11 again. If you want to know how to freshly install Windows 11, you can watch that video from the I button. After installing a fresh Windows 11, go to Windows Update again and update your system. After updating, my OS build number became 7309. And then automatically, my Start Menu Styler changed to the new one. That's the full process. And that's how you can enable the new Start Menu Styler in Windows 1125H2. If your build number is old or your updates are not installing, just follow the steps I showed and it will work perfectly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.